Good morning to all. This is the first lecture of data science. What is data? Data science means it involves data and all the data operations are there. Data is a collection of information. Our one purpose of data science is to structure data, making it interpretable and easy to work with. Means first we have to, if data is not structured, we have to prepare the data is structured. Pre-processing of data is required here and making it interpretable and easy to work with. Then analyze the data. Data can be categorized into two groups: structured data and unstructured data. You know structured data, which is stored in a database table with rows and columns, and every column have label. Unstructured data is not organized. We must organize the data for analysis purposes. Here structured data organized and easier to work with because it is stored into rows and columns. Structured data, we can use array or database table to structure or present the data. You know array, how to present data in array. Here we use Python. Suppose we have to display data with array. It will display data with format. It is a common process which we work with array and database in traditional method. Database table, it is a structured data. Each column have label and it is a sports data, health data extracted from sports watch. It is a health data which have duration, average pulse, max pulse, calorie burnage, hours work. It is a sports watch which analyze your workout and then it gives the values. Database table structure, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, 6 columns are there, and here 10 rows. You know row and column data, that is structured data. Here column is a variable, something that can be measured or counted. Right? Different data types are there for each variable. The first row is the label, name of the variable. See, data. Wow, what is generating so much data? Data can be generated by humans, machines, or humans, machines combines. Why data is important? Data helps in make better decisions. Data helps in solve problems by finding the reason for underperformance. Data helps one to evaluate the performance. Data helps one improve processes. Types of variables. Data, categorical and numerical. Two types of variables in data. In categorical, example, that is mark sheet status, yes or no. Numerical data, it has two types, discrete and continuous. Discrete data may be a number of children and defects per hour, example for discrete data. And continuous, weight, voltage, this type of examples for continuous data. Simple definition of data. Data is defined as facts or figures or information that is stored on or used by a computer. Data. Data is just collection of facts. It is collected using numbers, text, images, videos, These different types of data is stored. Then previously we have to see the data is a small and structured, which can be accommodated into database and we can process the data. But now the data is huge and it is unstructured. Therefore, need for data science. First, we have to see structured data, data warehouse, traditional business intelligence, and predetermined report only. We have to generate reports using Excel and various business tools, business intelligence tools, and graphs. We can interpret the data, but size of data is small. Up to we have to use different databases like Oracle, MongoDB, and some limitations is there to storage the data. But now it increases the size of data and it is unstructured, it is not structured data. We have to use Hadoop to analyze the data, that is big data analytics. Big data is analyzed using Hadoop. Data science algorithms are there and scientific discovery. We have to find the insights of data. Any size of data we can analyze using Hadoop. This is the life cycle for the data science. Data acquisition, data pre-processing, machine learning algorithms, pattern evaluation and knowledge representation. Here data acquisition, we have to store data from multiple sources. Various types of data, PDF, Excel, Word, any type of data, images, audio files, video files, then data storage and then target data, that is a data acquisition. Then data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is required because data is unstructured, therefore data manipulation, data visualization. After pre-process we have to data manipulate the data and visualize the data. Then machine learning, application of intelligent algorithms to find meaningful information from the data. Where to how to find the insights of data using machine learning algorithms. Different algorithms are there for machine learning: classification, regression, clustering. Classification, it classifies data; regression, it predicts the data; and clustering, it groups the data. Once data mining techniques have been applied, the results have to be evaluated. Knowledge represent, the identified pattern must be represented using simple aesthetic graphs. After identified patterns must be represented using simple, we have to interpret the data using graphs. In machine learning, supervised learning is there and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning have input and output variable. You have to give input and output and it has label data. We will see later details about it. Supervised means it has label data and supervised learning is there and it contains classification. This method is used to estimate the relationship between different entities, that is yes or no values. Smoke yes or no, cancer yes or no, this type of analysis using classification. This method is used to estimate the relationship between different entities, that is y is a dependent variable on x, x is a, this is the independent variable. Unsupervised learning, here labels are not there for data but it compare internally patterns and categorize the data in unsupervised learning. Here Data science. Now, see the definition of data science. Data science is the area of study which involves extracting insights from vast amounts of data by the use of various scientific methods, algorithms, and processes. And it helps you to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. The term data science has emerged because of the evolution of mathematical statistics, data analysis, and big data. It is an interdisciplinary field that allows you to extract knowledge from structured to unstructured data. Data science enables you to translate a business problem into a research project and then translate it back into a practical solution. Here, extracting insights from big data, vast huge data, and applying scientific methods, algorithms, and processes, we can find hidden patterns from the data. See, advantages of using data analytics technologies. With the right tools, technologies, algorithms, we can use data and convert it into distinctive business advantage. Business decisions are taken by this analysis of data. Data science can help you to detect fraud using advanced machine learning algorithms. It helps you to prevent any significant monetary losses. It allows to build intelligence ability in machines. That is a machine learning. You can perform sentiment analysis to gauge customer brand loyalty. It enables you to take better and faster decisions, and it helps you to recommend the right product to the right customer to enhance your businesses. Structured, unstructured, Hadoop data science, I have already explained you that. Evolution of data sciences. These are the data science components. That is data science, statistics, domain experts, data engineering, advanced computing, visualization. These are the basic components of data science. These main components expertise is required to become a data scientist. Statistics, domain expertise, data engineering, advanced computing, and visualization. Statistics is the most critical unit of data science basics. It is the method or science of collecting and analyzing numerical data in large quantities to get useful insights. We have to analyze data using statistical methods. Visualization techniques helps you to access huge amounts of data in easy to understand and digestible visuals. You can easily interpret data using graphs. Machine learning explores the building and study of algorithms which learn to make predictions about unforeseen future data. It predicts, it creates the model and predict the data. Machine learning explores the building and study of algorithms. Different algorithms are there in machine learning. We have to train the model and deploy the model. Deep learning. Deep learning is new machine learning research where the algorithm selects the analysis model to follow. Here, convolutional neural network is used in deep learning. This is the data science process: discovery, data preparation, model planning, model building, operation, and communicate results. Discovery step involves acquiring data from all the identified internal and external sources, which helps you to answer the business question. Data can be web server data, logs from web servers, data gathered from social media, census data sets, data streamed from online sources using API. See the data, how data is generated every second. Internet users in the world, total number of websites, email sent today, Google searches today, blog posts written today, tweets sent today, videos viewed today on YouTube, photos uploaded today. How to, this is the speed for generation of data, and how to analyze this type of data. Then data science comes into picture, and big data analytics. See, Facebook active users, Google active users, Twitter active users, Skype calls today, websites hacks today, computers sold today, smartphones sold today. Every type, various categorical data is there. Internet traffic today. See the size of data in GB. You can see the data internetlivestats.com. Then first we have to see the data, and then identify internal external sources. Then preparation, data can have lots of inconsistencies like missing value. Pre-processing is required because data is unstructured, and then missing values, some of the inconsistencies like missing value, blank columns, incorrect data format, which needs to be clean. You need to process, explore and condition data before modeling. The cleaner your data, the better are your predictions. If the data is correct, then results are also correct and accurate. Model planning. In this stage, you need to determine the method and technique to draw the relation between input variables. Planning for a model is performed by using different statistical formulas and visualization tools. SQL analysis, R and SAS Access are some of the tools used for this purpose. In this step, the actual model building process starts. Here, data scientists distribute data sets for training and testing. We have to divide the data for, suppose 70% for training and 20% for testing. Techniques like association, classification and clustering are applied to the training data set. These are the techniques: association, classification, clustering. The model once prepared is tested against the testing data sets. We have to prepare the model and it can test with the testing data set. In this stage, you deliver the final baseline model with reports, code and technical documents. Model is deployed into a real-time production environment after thorough testing. And then results. The key findings are communicated to all stakeholders. This helps you to decide if the results of the project are success or failure based on the inputs from the model. Various opportunities are there for data science job titles, job roles: data scientist, data engineer, data analyst, statistician, data architect, data admin, business analyst, data analytics manager. Role of data scientist. It is a profession who manages enormous amounts of data to come up with compelling business value visions by using various tools, techniques, methodologies, algorithms, etc. Languages: R, SAS, Python, SQL, Hayu, MATLAB, Pig, Spark. These are the languages for data science, and Python is a very popular language for the data science. Data engineer. The role of data engineer working with large amounts of data. He develops, constructs, tests and maintains architectures like large scale processing system and databases. Here SQL, Hayu, R, SAS, MATLAB, Python, Java, Ruby, C++ and Perl is used. Data analyst. He is responsible for mining vast amounts of data. He or she will look for relationships, patterns, trends in data, insights of data. He or she will deliver compiling, reporting and visualization for analyzing the data to take the most viable business decisions. Languages are Python, HTML, JavaScript, C, C++, SQL. Statistician. Statistician collects, analyzes, understand qualitative and quantitative data by using statistical theories and methods. SQL, R, MATLAB, TableAU, Python, Perl, Spark and Hayu. Data administrator. Data admin should ensure that the database is accessible to all relevant users. Data administrator, suppose DBA is the database administrator, like that. Data administrator is there for data. He also makes sure that it is performing correctly and is being kept safe from hacking. Security, the data administrator maintains the security for data. Ruby on Rails, SQL, Java, C Hash and Python. These are the languages. Business analyst. This professional need to improve business processes. He is an intermediary between the business executive team and IT department. Business analyst. He is the mediator between business executive team and IT department. This type of professions are there for data science. And tools for data science: R, SQL, Python, SAS, MATLAB, Java. Data analysis: R, Spark, Python and SAS. Warehousing: Hadoop, SQL, Hive. Data visualization tools: R, Tableau and Raw. Machine learning: Spark, Azure, ML Studio and Mouth. Here in data science, structured and unstructured data, but previously it is a structured data, mostly SQL, but sometime data warehouse. Statistics, machine learning and graph. Analysis and neuro-linguistic programming, R, TensorFlow. Different applications are there for data science. Internet search, that is a Google search. We can search data science using data science technology to search specific result within a fraction of second. Recommendation systems, you know, when you search for any product on Amazon and Flipkart, after analyzing your searching, they recommend some of the suggestions for you. That is recommendation systems. Everything is done with the help of data science. Image and speech recognition. Speech recognition system like Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa runs on the technique of data science. Facebook recognizes your friend when you upload a photo with them with the help of data science. Gaming world. Games are now developed using machine learning techniques. It can update itself when you move to higher levels. Online price comparison. It also work on using data science mechanisms. Challenges of data science technology, that is high variety of information data is required for accurate analysis. Accurate data is required for analysis, accurate analysis. Not adequate data science talent pool available. Data science results not effectively used by business decision makers. Explaining data science to others is difficult. Privacy issues, lack of significant domain expert. If an organization is very small, they can't have a data science team. These are the challenges which are faced with the data science technology. These are the Python is a programming language widely used by data scientists. Python has different libraries with large collections of mathematical functions and analytical tools. In this course, these are the we will use following libraries: Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib and SciPy. Pandas, it is a library used for structured data operations. Import CSV files and create data frames and data preparation. Pre-processing data for the analysis using Pandas. And it is a NumPy is a mathematical library which is a powerful n-dimensional array object, linear algebra, Fourier transform, etc. Mathematical operations are done by NumPy is used for mathematical operations. Matplotlib, it is a this library is used for visualization of data with different graphs, and SciPy is library. It is used for linear algebra modules. I hope you understood all these concepts. This is the data science revolution. Data flow, previously unstructured data, data storage, lack of predictive analytics, lack of scientific insights. Then now this decision making is possible, prediction, pattern discovery because of data science. Different analysis tool, data warehouse tools, data visualization tools, and machine learning tools. Combination of these all the tools have is called data science tools. Machine learning in data science, regression, decision tree clustering, different types of machine learning algorithms are there. Applying these machine learning algorithms, we can predict the model. Healthcare is one of the application of data science. Risk detection is also one of the application of data science. Most of the finance companies are looking for the data scientists to avoid risk and any type of losses with an increase in customer satisfaction. Data science. See how to search on Google data science images. See the different types of websites are coming here. Workflow analytics, machine learning projects, cartoon statistics, examples, word cloud. Different categories are there for data science. You can search any option for the data science for your additional study. It gives every information about data science, big data analytics, data science background, data science workflow, data science machine learning projects, videos. You can search videos of data science using this. Here it gives the definition of Wikipedia. Use that to search. It also see the various references of data science are here. Machine learning, data mining, big data, structured, unstructured. What is the meaning of that? You can read from these sites also. Here machine learning, data mining, data science definition is there, and every hyperlink is there for every word, and different references are also stored here. Techniques, references, you can read that. Thank you.